Hi everyone, this is Iris. I'm shooting this video from my lovely studio in downtown Vancouver right now. So today I would like to tell you a little bit more about this exciting career reinvention bootcamp that we have in store for you in February 2018. This is an interactive workshop that is designed for professionals or entrepreneurial-minded individuals with 8+ years of experience. It is primarily based on this international bestseller, Business Model U, and we will be using this personal business canvas to help you map out the talent that you are offering to the world. So how it works is that we help you see yourself like a business or a product, and then by using this canvas, we first start by helping you understand your career pain points, and by using different kinds of design thinking and coaching techniques, we also help you get a better understanding of your motivation, your strengths, and your purpose. After we go through this process, we'll help you develop various types of new career prototypes that will pave the way for a more comprehensive career action plan. This workshop will be facilitated by myself and another experienced coach, and will help you get feedback from other participants with diverse backgrounds that are in the workshop as well. If you are experiencing doubts, confusion, or you feel lost or bored in your current career, we're really confident that this bootcamp will be a very useful tool to you. I hope this video gives you a better sense of the value the bootcamp provides. If you have any other questions about your career, about the bootcamp, feel free to book some time with me. We can chat over the phone, or you can write to me on our website, baltcareers.com. Have a great day.